Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today is one of my favourite days. I love getting Roccabox. It's probably one of my favourite subscriptions. I've been having this for probably well over a year now, and I absolutely love this box. It's full of beauty items, sometimes makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, you know, you get the drift. I believe they are all full-size products. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they're full size. The box will cost you £13.95 per month. That does include delivery. This is the March. Oh, we've got some paperwork. Okay, so this is a £50 wine voucher. Not something I ever use. I love Roccabox because you get a little card that shows you what all the items are about, and inside, as you can see, are our goodies. Okay, so glasses. Okay, so March 2020. This month is extra special as it marks the 3rd birthday. Congratulations, Roccabox. And to mark this special occasion, we want to celebrate all the amazing women who have made it possible. Mothers, sisters, friends, female girls, bosses. We couldn't do it without you. So to say thank you, we've gathered up some of our absolute must-have hero products for you to try this month's box. From our favourite brands, the products we use every day to keep us looking and feeling on top of our game. This month is very best of the best. March's Edit has everything you need to keep your lips bold, your hair glossy and your complexion glowing. So shine on, girl. And we've even thrown in a sweet little extra to keep you feeling as good as you look. You can thank us later. We believe every product in your makeup box should make you feel like your very best self, which is why we've chosen our tried and tested can't live without beauty buys for our big birthday box. We hope you love them as much as we do. I'm sure we will, Roccabox. Okay, so I'm going to take out the squigglies. Okay, so first product I see is called Huda Beauty Lip Contour Matte Pencil. Blend trendsetter with a clear balm for gorgeous daytime glam, or amp it up and layer cheerleader under bold liquid lip for date night. You can use them to completely fill in your lips for a bold block colour. They're super hydrating, so won't dry your lips out. These cost £18.61. It is a full size product. So we have trendsetter, or you could get wifey. Let's have a look and see what I got. I got wifey, which I'm probably, I know you're probably going to think I'm just saying this, but I don't know, both shades are actually really nice. It's just that I really like kind of red lipsticks, and trendsetter looks a little bit more, I don't know whether you'll pick it up. Oh, just trying to show you. So this is wifey, this is trendsetter. So this is a little bit more of a red look. I'm happy with this, so come on. Huda, you can't go wrong with Huda products, really, can you? So, that's the colour there. Let's do a little swatchy. It's actually really nice. This is something that's just you can throw on for a nice day look, so it's there. Yep, like the first products, you can't go wrong with lipsticks and lip colour for me, because I love them all. Okay, pokey. So next we have a Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. This has a recommended retail price of £12.50. Smooth thin layer over your face before you moisturise for a seriously luminous complexion with a minimum effort. And don't be put off if you have no signs of visible aging. This is aimed at all ages and skin types, and I always say prevention before cure. So here we have it here. Nice little sample size. This is deluxe sample size, so obviously you do get samples. That'll be the door. 2 secs. Sorry about that, guys. I am back. So we were talking about this. So yes, you do actually get sample sizes. Well, they're called deluxe, so I guess they're a little bit bigger than smaller. Did that make any sense at all? I don't know. It's the sunshine. It's gone to my head. Okay, next we have Umberto Gianni Banana Butter Vegan Leave-In Conditioner. So it says, I apply mine to wet hair before blow drying and it leaves my hair looking seriously silky. Then when my hair is really in need of some R&R, I dilute some in a spray bottle with water, spritz my ends throughout the day, flawless locks in seconds. This has a recommended retail price of £9. This is a full-size product. You're telling me this is a full-size product. Look at the size of that. Right, so how much? 200 mils in here. Fantastic. So let's have a look. Oh, looks like custard. Seriously. It's not showing up on camera, but it's pure yellow. Oh my God. If I leave this lying about, Kai will actually eat this. He just loves anything with banana. He will think this is some kind of food. I'm in love with the smell, guys. Oh my God, that is so nice. And it's also vegan and cruelty free. Repair and restore leave-in conditioner for naturally curly and super curly hair. Fantastic. Next we have Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur foundation primer. This is a deluxe sample. We have it here. Not only does it fill in fine lines and visible pores for an ultra flawless finish, it also keeps your makeup in place all night long. Top tip, keep it in your handbag. It works wonders as touch-up on top of your makeup. Recommended price is £6.63. Now I've heard a lot about this and I've been dying to try it. So I look forward to it. This is a 0.25 fluid ounce. And it just says it's a smooth and blur primer. It looks like a gel. Let's have a look. So I don't know if you can see that, guys, but it's just like a clear gel. Oh, it is. I mean, it literally is very smooth. It almost feels like oily. I'm going to shake it. It feels so oily. I don't know if that's right. Is this right, guys? Should it feel oily? I've never used this before. I'm sure it must be. I look forward to giving that a go. Right, next we have the famous face mask. And that'll be this one. So this is an SOS facial steam mask. Apply it when you're in the bath or shower. Don't worry, it's specially formulated to stick to wet skin in steamy conditions without slipping. Shut your eyes for 20 minutes and of R&R bliss. Not only is this super indulgent, Sunday night essential, it draws all the dirt and toxins from your skin, opens up your pores so they're more receptive to the rest of your skincare routine. This is a winner. This has a recommended retail price of £6. And this is a full-size product. Love the packaging. So just do what they say in the shower. Little glass of wine, a little bit of music going, pop this on and relax. Okay, so this is a bonus tree. Oh my goodness, this is a glass bottle. And this is this. This is called Bumble Zest Calm and Comfort Superfood Shot Drink. You know we love to treat you well, so we've included an extra little nutrient-packed boost in this month's box. This has a recommended of £2.40. So I'm assuming shake me, down me. It has half a lemon, mint, cinnamons, Himalayan salt, a drop of maple, vegan friendly, 60 ml, and it's only 15 calories. Ooh, I mean, it's green, you know, it's a really like muddy kind of green, which straight away is going to put me off from trying this, but I'm going to. I'm brave. I can do this. she says, struggling to open even the lid. Oh, I'm not sure about this. I'm going to try a little sip because I have to. Oh my God. Wow. I mean, I don't know what it's supposed to do, but woo! The first thing I taste is the very sharpness and bitterness of the lemon. There's a strong taste of the maple. I can't say that I can taste the mint. I can't say that I can taste the cinnamon or this salt, thank goodness. I'm afraid I'm going to pass on this one. And I just wanted to update you. Last month, for those of you that get the Roccabox or interested to actually know, we got a month's supply of the sugar hair, bear hair care things, whatever they're called. And I have been taking mine for the month, twice a day. I take one in the morning, one in the evening. I don't know if you have to take them longer, but I can't say that I've actually really noticed any difference in my nail like growth or hair or anything at the moment. So I'm literally going to purchase another tub and give it another month and see if I can notice any significant difference. But I have to say at the moment I can't. So that's just a little update for you. Okay, my lovely people, this is Roccabox done for this month. Really like the box as usual. Love, love, love. Can't wait to try that. You guys know that I love my lipsticks. Looking forward to trying the Smashbox primer. Anything with a little bit of retinol in to help with those wrinkles and fine lines, I'm all for it. And you guys know how I feel about these damn face masks. So that is it for this month. I really do hope that you enjoyed the video. I am going to be doing March giveaway, and that will be a Jeffree Star mirror. Just waiting for it to be delivered. So as soon as that arrives, I'll do a little video and let you know how you can enter for the giveaway for that. So I hope you look forward to that. I'm doing a few videos today, so you'll probably see me in the same outfits. So I try and do 3 or 4 at once, and then that's it, it's done, and I haven't got to worry about trying to fit them in my daily schedule. So till we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye.